Hello, and welcome to the bonus lesson. Congratulations again on graduating the NordVPN course, Keeping Your Data Safe. This is my third course ever created, and it was a really awesome experience for me. Because you have graduated, and we have reached 700 subscribers on YouTube, I will be holding a giveaway by offering you guys 10 Binance caps to 10 lucky winners in just 3 steps. Step number 1. Sign up on Binance by using my affiliate link. Step number 2. Follow me on YouTube at ZPenterCrypto. And the third step. Comment down below on any of my videos your Binance ID. The winners will be announced by the end of this year on Twitter. Best of luck! The following part is not sponsored by NordVPN. Trading crypto is amazing, but did you know that having the highest level of security and privacy is just as important? With NordVPN, you can browse the internet without any restrictions or limitations. Get a 2 years plan from NordVPN, and you get 3 extra months with 59% off. You are paying under €4 a month. Or you can secure your files in a private file vault with NordLocker. Save 83% and get it at €1 per month. Or get unlimited password storage, a built-in password generator, and many more with NordPass. Saving yourself more than €50 for the 2 years plan. And the cool thing is that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all those free products. No questions asked. The link for each of them will be in the description. By the way, if you're interested in the crypto space, I recommend you to get the Binance 101 and 102 courses. Over 2,000 students already joined. These 2 courses are beginner-friendly, filled with lots of useful information regarding the Binance ecosystem, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange there is, and learning about trading patterns. And the best thing is, they are 100% free. The link will be in the external resource section. If you have literally any question regarding the course, the Nord ecosystem, or just feel like chatting, make sure to direct message me on Twitter at ZPainterNFT and on Telegram at ZombieNFT. Don't forget to leave a review for the course. All feedback is much appreciated. As a conclusion, the NordVPN course has not only deepened our understanding of privacy and security, but also empowered us to take control of our digital lives. By implementing the knowledge gained from this course and utilizing NordVPN's features, we can navigate the online landscape with confidence, knowing that our privacy and security are safeguarded. By understanding the potential risks and taking appropriate precautions, we can actively contribute to a safer online environment for ourselves and others. I just want to say thank you for the support, and I will see you guys in the next course.